hiking. I went hiking. At this really, really cool trail. It's really magical, honestly, in every sense of the word. And now here I am. Right now I'm under a tornado warning. And nothing feels real. This feels like a test. My house is leaking. The chimney is leaking. The chimney is leaking. 2 days after my boyfriend asked for it. Maybe the bridge. Oh, I bet that bridge fell in again. You know, they just fixed that bridge on April 8th during the eclipse. But they did such a. It fell in during the moment of totality that this little culvert fell in. What timing, I know, right? Anyway, it fell in and they fixed it that day, and I bet you it's either flooding right now or it already fell in because they did such a bang-up job. It hasn't flooded in, God, I don't even know, a few years. It hasn't flooded, so that would amaze me if it was. I'm tempted to go walk and see, but I hurt myself running to get some candles because I thought the electricity was going to go out, and it still might. I don't know, why rush, you know? Why rush if the electricity goes out? Oh, look at that symmetry. Symmetry. Wasn't even looking for it. Yeah, there it is. You can always find something beautiful, can't you? I hope that you can. If you can't, you should get in the habit. Because, like, buckle up, okay? It's never going to be easy. It's never going to be easy, so just, you got to overlook the ugliness, or at least appreciate it as necessary to highlight the beauty in life. This is the most relaxed and most I've been able to breathe all day. And I'm just staying here for now, not much longer. And it just feels weird to be spending these moments alone. It doesn't feel right. But solitude is sometimes necessary for growth, actually. And sometimes you should embrace it and not be scared of it. Or if you are scared of it, that's okay. Fear is okay. As long as you do not let it control you. Be alone with yourself. Embrace it. I know it's scary, but you'll learn. Look at mushroom. Isn't it adorable? I couldn't help but notice. And also look. Different phases of life they're in. I guess I'm supposed to be taking shelter because of the tornado warning, but well, I'm gonna go see if the bridge is flooded or collapsed because I saw 2 trucks back up and turn around. So, and look at this water. Look at that water. See, I always stay in when it rains because the water burned the hell out of my eyes and skin last time. So I'm well covered this time, except my legs. So I never noticed that it does this when it rains. I mean, it didn't always. I don't think. My God. Okay, so I thought it was strange because, like, this bridge flooding, it was always a thing my whole life. When it, you know. When we had a downpour like this, it would flood like this. And then, like, I don't know. I was out of town for a few months, and I came back, and it has not flooded since. That was years ago. That was like 2 or 3 years ago. And then it collapsed during the eclipse, like during the moment of totality. That little bridge right over there collapsed. Isn't that weird? Yeah, I heard it. We heard it. My family heard it. That's when it happened. They did a bang up job fixing it. I don't know if that, but now it floods. Now it's flooding? Like what? Oh my God, it didn't even take that many hours. I can't believe this. I know I could get struck by lightning. I know when there's tornado warning, I know, like, I'm just baffled. This is beautiful and just crazy, and this is a ditch. That's just like a right-of-way, or whatever thing it's called, for like a power line or something, you know? I mean, everything's flooding. The house is flooding. The bridge is flooding. What's going on? I don't know. It's almost a relief, but like, I hope I don't get struck by lightning. I have to get a new phone. I need a new phone anyway, so this is a real risk. And you want to see the poison ivy I've braved? I'm very allergic. I'm screwed. But I haven't seen this in years, and it's just beautiful. It's beautiful. Damn it, it's beautiful. Oh no. Beautiful. Falling water is always beautiful. Like, this is so strange. Of all times for this to be happening for the first time in years. It almost feels like serendipity sometimes. Look, there's a little one. Oh, yeah. I knew it was there. You knew it was there. I've been watching too much Bob Ross. Driveway. Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Whoa. Damn.